Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. mongodb's aggregation framework is a powerful tool that allows you to process data records and return computed results. It can be used for complex data transformations and aggregations, such as grouping, filtering, and sorting. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of using the aggregation pipeline in MongoDB, providing a detailed example along the way. Understanding the aggregation pipeline. The aggregation pipeline consists of a series of stages that process documents. Each stage transforms the documents as they pass through the pipeline. The stages are defined as an array of operations, which can include $match, filters documents to pass only those that match the specified conditions. $group, groups documents by a specified field and allows performing operations like sum, average, etc. $sort, sorts documents based on specified fields. $project, reshapes documents, allowing you to include, exclude, or add new fields. $limit, limits the number of documents returned. Setting up MongoDB. Before we jump into the code, ensure you have MongoDB installed and running. You can use the MongoDB shell, compass, or connect to a MongoDB instance using a programming language driver, like Node.js, Python, etc. Sample dataset. Let's assume we have a collection named sales with the following structure. JSON _ID, object ID. Item, ABC. Price, 10. Quantity, 2. Date, ISO date, 2023-01-01. Store, Stora. We will create a sample dataset with multiple documents, each representing a sale. Example aggregation pipeline. Now, let's write a query using the aggregation pipeline to achieve the following. 1. Filter sales that occurred in 2023. 2. Group the sales by store and calculate the total revenue for each store, revenue equals price * quantity. 3. Sort the results by total revenue in descending order. MongoDB aggregation query. Here's how you can achieve this using the MongoDB shell. JavaScript. db.sales.aggregate. / stage 1, filter sales for the year 2023. $match. Date, $GTE, new ISO date, 2023-01-01, $LT, new ISO date, 2024-01-01. / stage 2, group by store and calculate total revenue. $group. _ID, $store. Total revenue. $sum, $multiply, $price, $quantity. Total sales, $sum, $quantity / optional, count total quantity sold. / stage 3, sort by total revenue in descending order. $sort, total revenue, -1. Explanation of each stage. $1 match, this stage filters the documents to include only those where the date is in the year 2023. $2 group, this stage groups the filtered documents by the store. It calculates the total revenue for each store by multiplying price by quantity and summing up the values. It also counts the total quantity sold, optional. $3 sort, this stage sorts the results by total revenue in descending order, so the store with the highest revenue appears first. Running the aggregation. You can execute this aggregation query in the MongoDB shell or through a MongoDB client. If you are using a programming language, like Node.js, the syntax will be slightly different. Here's an example of how to do it in Node.js. Node.js example. JavaScript. const mongo client equals require, mongodb. Async function run aggregation. Const URI equals mongodb / localhost 27017 / replace with your mongodb connection string. Const client equals new mongo client, URI. Try. Await client.connect. Const database equals client.db, your database name, / replace with your database name. Const sales equals database.collection, sales. Const pipeline equals $match. Date, $GTE, new date, 2023-01-01, $LT, new date, 2024-01-01. $group. _ID, $store. Total revenue. $sum, $multiply, $price, $quantity. Total sales, $sum, $quantity. $sort, total revenue, -1. Const results equals await sales.aggregate, pipeline, .toArray. Console.log, results. Finally, await client.close. Run aggregation, .catch, console.error. Conclusion. The aggregation framework in MongoDB is a powerful way to process and analyze your data. By using a combination of stages like $match, $group, and $sort, you can perform complex queries that yield valuable insights from your data sets. This tutorial provided a foundational understanding of how to use the aggregation pipeline with a practical example, setting you up for more advanced data processing tasks in MongoDB.